Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to check how fast and if it is for you reliable, right? So if it unlock our phone every time. So I was sitting in the same position, and right now I'm grabbing the phone, and let's try to unlock with our face for like 5 or 10 tries. As you can see, it is working. Every time it recognizes my face. But to be honest, it's not, that fast like in the newest model of the Huawei or any other Android phones. But for sure it is reliable, right? It recognizes my face every time, as you can see. So yeah. I think that the face unlock on the smartphone is not that bad. Of course, it's not that fast, but it's reliable. So I think that is worth to get it and to set it up on this device. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.